In this video, you'll learn how to set up a Slack workspace from scratch. By following these steps, you will be able to create a dedicated space for team communication and collaboration. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in wwl.google.com and press the Enter key. This will take you to the Google homepage where you can perform searches. Next, in the Google search bar, type in Slack and hit Enter. This action will initiate a search for the Slack application, allowing you to access its official website quickly. After that, locate the search results and click on the link that reads Slack, AI, Work, Platform, and Productivity Tools, Slack. This will redirect you to the Slack homepage where you can start the workspace. Once the Slack homepage loads, look for the button that says Create a New Workspace. Click on this button to begin the setup process for your new workspace. Now, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and click on the button that appears to proceed. This email will be used for all communications related to your Slack workspace. After entering your email, you will see an option labeled Other Fictions. Click on this to reveal additional setup choices. This step allows you to choose how you want to integrate with Google. Next, you will see an option to click on Google. Selecting this will initiate the process of linking your Google account to Slack, which can streamline your experience. When prompted, click on your email address to continue. This action will guide you through the Google authentication process, ensuring that your account is securely connected. After selecting your email, you will see a button labeled Continue. Click on this to allow Slack to access your Google account information necessary for setup. Once this is done, you will be taken back to Slack. Click on Create a New Workspace, again to finalize the creation of your workspace. The next screen will prompt you to name your Slack workspace. Enter a recognizable name that reflects your team or company, as this will help everyone identify the workspace easily. After naming your workspace, click on Next. This action will take you to the next step in the setup process where you can customize further settings. On the following screen, you will be asked to provide your name. Enter your name in the designated field to personalize your Slack profile. Next, you will see a suggestion indicating that adding your name and profile photo can help others connect with you more easily. You can choose to follow this advice now or skip it. After this, click on Next to proceed. This will bring you to the next step in the onboarding process, where you can invite team members. You will be prompted to invite your teammates. Click on the button to add core collaborators to your workspace, enhancing your team's communication. Once you finish inviting teammates, click on Next to continue. This step allows you to finalize your workspace setup process. Now, you may see an option to skip this step. If you prefer to skip inviting others at this moment, feel free to select this option. After that, you will be prompted to skip without inviting. Click on this to proceed without sending invitations to your team members. The next screen will ask you to confirm by clicking on Don't Invite Anyone. This option allows you to create your workspace without any initial team members. You will then see a message indicating that your workspace is being created. This process may take a few moments, so please be patient. Once your workspace is created, you will receive a confirmation message. Click on Workspace Created to acknowledge this. Finally, click on Continue with Free to start using your workspace. This step will take you to your Slack dashboard where you can begin using all the features available. If you want to explore setting up a Slack workspace for yourself, I've placed a link in the description and pinned comment below. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.